Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today I'll just be laying down my edges and we'll be doing the Ankara turban tutorial, which is also the African hairstyle head wrap tutorial. So let's just jump right into it. So welcome back guys. I'll be folding her Ankara in a triangular shape. Can you see that? The Ankara is 1 yard. It's just 1 yard, only 36 inches. So I folded it in a triangular shape, placing that behind her head and telling her, okay, this is a 50-50 pad gilly. I'll be asking her to hold the other hand of the Ankara so it doesn't pull out when I'm creating 2-3 pleats on the side of the gilly. So I'll be creating 2 to 3 pleats there at the front. Anyhow you want your pleats, you can make it look like that. So I'll be flipping the other hand too, right on top of the first one I pleated. Can you see that? I pleated 3 pleats actually, or is it 4? Okay, sure, you are watching. And I'll be asking her to press it with her hand to hold, to secure the Ankara with her hands so it doesn't fall off. So I'll just be pinning down the other hand of the Ankara like this and pulling the whole other part of the Ankara to the front. Can you see everything is in one place? We are going to be creating ruffles with this. I'll be using this white net to, I'll just take that, put that behind her head and just tie it. It's also a 50-50 measurement pad, and this net is also a 1 yard net. So what happened is that I used a white net at first, then decided to change it to the color of her dress. What goes with her dress? This also goes with her dress, but I decided to change the net color to her dress, and I also lost the clip of where I was using the other net, tying it at first. So I decided to fix this clip also inside this video so that you can see the way I tied the net. So moving on, I'll be creating ruffles with the Ankara. That's the whole other, the remaining Ankara there, the one I placed at the middle of her head, pushing it to the front. I'll be creating ruffles with that. As you can see, creating ruffles is very easy. If you're joining for the first time, you just pick, squeeze and then pin. That's the idea. So can you see, I just changed the net to this other gray color. Is it ash green? I'm creating ruffles also with the net, and that's it guys. Simple but yet elegant, classy, and then beautiful. You can also rock this turban on your birthday, as a bride, and also for your pre-wedding pictures or even post-wedding pictures. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see the way we created this makeup, I'll be dropping the link down on the description box here under this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. Bye.